Made a lot of offers over the last few days with my clients. Today we got one offer accepted. But this one is exceptional because only the clients who listened to my advice, they got the house secured for them. All the other ones, let's say I told them, okay, listen guys, this is a very hot property. Let's say it was listed at $450. I knew from the get-go, they're going to get like a lot of offers on the property. So I told them, listen guys, you have to be around $525, $530, even cash to have a chance to get this house. And what happened? My clients didn't offer what I suggested. And I'm not suggesting to go above asking price just to make you spend money. If you are coming to me and you're telling me, Dagmara, I need to buy this house, I'm telling you what I would do if I were in your shoes. So I tell every single client, okay, I think we should offer this, do this, with inspections, with appraisal, and blah, 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 blah. What sense does it make to offer, let's say, $515 instead of $530 if you well know that there is a ton of other offers, especially from other investors who are not going to do inspections, who are not going to argue about appraisal, who are not going to do anything, just buy the property? What difference does it make to offer $515 against $530? I know it's a $15,000 difference, and that was my suggestion to these clients. Please offer $530. I think we're gonna get the house. No, they didn't do it, and now they are upset because they really wanted the house. It's playing with fire, guys. If you want the property, listen to your agent. Only the people, the clients, my beloved clients, who really wanted the property, who listened to my advice, got the property secured. And of course, I tell them, it's not worth to go above this and this amount of money. I wouldn't do it. Of course, I always tell my clients, the final decision is in your hands. You have to calculate the numbers. Even if you're buying with cash, you have to make sure that it makes sense for you financially. All right? And of course, if you're going to hold the property for a longer period of time, almost 99% chances are that that property is going to appreciate in value considerably over the next few years. And if you don't have to sell like within a year or two, when let's say the crash comes, that's even better because you're going to hold it and sell when the market is up, not down. Guys, I'm losing my voice over talking about this all the time, but not everybody understands. And only people who really understand the value and of what's happening right now, they are getting the property secured. And also, please remember, if you are a buyer in today's market, that nowadays, the price range between $400 and $600 is the most affordable for all the people who are looking to purchase homes on the market in New Jersey right now. It's not the $800,000 mark. It's not $1 million mark. It's not the $2 million mark. How much can an average Joe afford? Yeah, exactly that, between $400 to $600. So if there is a beautiful home on the market, in a great neighborhood, great schools, great New York City connection, listed for $500, how many offers do you think it's gonna get? I'm gonna tell you, between 10 to 35. That's from my experience, what's happening right now. So if you are planning to have a chance on getting the house, listen to your agent. Unless you don't trust them, then you should change the agent. That's my advice. Also, I want to tell you, I love my little gadgets. Look at this beautiful tiny remote control by the help of which I am able to turn my phone on and off, like recording a video from a distance, which makes me so happy. I'm a total freak as far as social media is concerned. I love social media. That's number one. Number two, last week I bought, I don't know how many, at least 7 stands, 7 ring lights to help me record videos. But this is like, I know I'm probably behind and this is old news, but for me it's something really nice and that makes me so happy. This little tiny remote that I can start a video with and finish just by a click.